Hello, this is Adam. I'm the founder of StruCalc, and we are happy to announce the launch of StruCalc Core today. We thought we'd make you a video helping you with the onboarding process and managing your subscription with the new billing portal. As you'll see here, this looks slightly different. And what's going to happen tomorrow is when you log into StruCalc.com, it will automatically take you over to the web app. In that web app, you'll see the same billing portal that you're used to with your company and user information if you're the owner of the account. And here, very quickly, I'll show you what is different about the new web app. We're not taking away access to the desktop at any time to anyone. So this is just for people who want to try it out, and there are some promotions for early access that are going to last through the end of this year to get the best price. It is an annual price is the best discount that we have. I'll show you that. There's two ways to do this. You can now have multiple subscriptions. So if you want to, you can absolutely just open up your current subscription and you can hit update plan. What this will do is it'll create a StruCalc Core plan that is based on your current plan. It'll keep them both in place. So if you have an annual plan, it's going to make you an annual plan. This is just going to add to your current subscription. Now, if you do sign up for an annual plan, you will be charged at sign up, and it'll last for a 12-month plan. This actually gets you a full 12 months of the discount. It will go past the end of the year. You'll see this price reflected here. If you have a monthly subscription, you'll see when you hit update plan that you get the $50 a month through the end of the year, and you can add that to your plan. It'll have two things on here. Now, when you do the monthly plan, you will get 30 days free trying the web app. You can come in at that time, choose to keep both, or you can downgrade one or the other. Any active web license for StruCalc Core will allow access to StruCalc Desktop indefinitely, so you do not need to keep both or pay for both. If you want to use the web app and the desktop, all you have to do is pay for the web app, and you will be able to continue accessing the desktop indefinitely as long as you have that active license. So we'll go back here and show you the other option, which is to create a separate subscription, and that will give you the option to set it up possibly different than your desktop subscription. You can pick monthly or yearly. Monthly, when you add it to the plan, you will not be charged today. You will get the 30-day free trial before it starts billing. At that time, if you want to keep the web license, you can go remove your existing desktop license, or you can sign up now for the yearly license. That's going to be the best discount that we ever offer here for early access. So I'll go ahead and sign up for just a monthly plan here and take you guys through the onboarding process. You can add as many licenses as you want here. Once you get to 5 licenses, bulk pricing will kick in, and you will end up paying even less than this per month. So we're going to go to the checkout, which will take you to Stripe. If you've been in Stripe and you've already been paying for this, you'll be familiar with this, and your information should be saved, hopefully. So I'll put in my information here. Hit agree on the terms of service and privacy policy. That's a Stripe thing. And this is going to take you back to the web app after processing. And it's going to take you to the onboarding screen inside the web app. This is going to give you some preferences set up and get you familiar with the program. So here you can pick 3D or use the 2D view. Existing users, you're going to like this 2D view. It feels like the desktop. It's running on the web. And in 2D view, you can always switch back and forth with 3D. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on 3D as my default. Here you can set up all of your default project codes and options. Everyone will be familiar with this. You can also hit I'll do this later. It'll save our defaults, and you can manage those in your preferences later. Here's kind of some new features we have in the web app. You can set your default span length, but also your default bearing length and a default eve length. We have a pretty comprehensive default load system that is new. You can add each design module type, each combination type for each axis, X, Y, and Z here. Floor, wall, column, footings, and roofs. You can set those all up. What those do is when you open up a new design module, and not even a new design module, anytime you add a new load, it will add those based on what you're doing to whatever you want as your default. Here you can set up your color scheme system. This is the one that we have set up and is the default. You can click these and change your palette. These will change on the loading diagrams and as well as in 3D. Go ahead and check out our YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't. We'd love to have you there. We posted quite a bit of content for StruCalc Core. We are going to be posting a lot more content. It's going to be coming over the next couple of weeks. Here is the comprehensive in-app help. We have a show tour. This is very dynamic. What it does, it's not a one-time tour. Anytime you click this, it's going to take you through a tour of your existing screen at that time. So anytime that you're stuck or you want to see some help options, hit show tour, do a little walkthrough. It'll take you through everything that's on your screen. It is dynamic to whatever you're currently doing. The other thing you can do, we have a pretty big help library. Clicking the question mark in the upper right-hand corner will pop that out, and it will stay popped out until you put it away. It's not just content you read, it is actually also interactive with whatever you're clicking on the screen. Last but not least, we still, as we always have, free customer support. You can talk to our licensed professional engineers on this platform or on the phone, 1-800-279-1353, or send in, click this link, and in-app create a ticket, and we're on 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And so when I hit finish here, that's going to finish the onboarding. You won't see this again, and I'm going to be in the app. And if you want any more walkthroughs, myself and other engineers have been putting content on StruCalc about how to get going. We're really excited to launch this new product for you. We've been working on this for the past year. And you're going to feel at home. Design modules are here, the 18 design modules. The bonus is you're going to get some pretty cool features, especially with 3D links that we believe are going to really change the workflow. So there it is. Look for more content, and we're excited to see you on the new platform.